Welcome, everyone, to our very first episode of Advocates for Change. Today, we're setting sail on a thrilling voyage through the captivating world of entrepreneurship. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on an adventure filled with discovery, inspiration, and the potential to transform dreams into reality. Here with me today are four successful professionals who will be helping us to understand what entrepreneurship is. Ms. Jumia Estocado, Ms. Rachel Jane Salilin, Mr. Jandrik Baid, and Ms. Vivian Alvarez. Welcome, ma'am and sir. So, let's start with the basics. What exactly is entrepreneurship?
So, let's have a scenario. Imagine that you have a brilliant idea of a new product or services. You are not contented with keeping this idea into your mind. You want to bring it to the life and share it to the world. That's where entrepreneurship comes in. It is the process of turning your ideas into a viable business venture. It's about being proactive, taking risks, and seizing opportunity. Create is something new and valuable.
Alright, thank you, ma'am. Now, many people are wondering, aren't business person the same as entrepreneurs?
Well, not exactly. While business persons are typically involved in managing existing businesses, entrepreneurs are the trailblazers, the ones who start those businesses from scratch. They're the visionaries who see opportunities where others might only see obstacles.
Ah, I see. So, how can someone become an entrepreneur?
So, it all starts with a spark, a passion, or an idea that ignites your imagination and sets your souls on fire. Maybe you've always been fascinated by technology, or perhaps you have a knack for solving problems. Whatever it is, the passion is the fuel that drives you forward in your entrepreneurial journey. But passion alone isn't enough. You also need to take action. That means doing your research, developing a solid business plan, and taking calculated risks to bring your idea to life. It's about being proactive and resourceful, finding creative solutions to the challenges you encounter along the way.
Alright, sir, thank you. Now, let's talk about the traits that set a successful entrepreneurs apart.
Entrepreneurship isn't just about having a good idea. It's also about having the right mindset and attitude. Traits like creativity, resilience, and a willingness to embrace failure are essential for navigating ups and downs for entrepreneurship. Creativity allows entrepreneurs to think outside the box and come out with innovative solutions to problems. Resilience gives them strength to persevere in the face of adversity, bouncing back from setbacks. Stronger than ever, and willingness to embrace failure means being unafraid to take risks and learn from your mistakes along the way.
Alright, thank you, ma'am. Now, here's a question that's been in many minds. Can anyone be an entrepreneur?
While the idea of entrepreneurship might seem glamorous, the reality is that it is not for everyone. It takes a special kind of person, someone who had a unique combination of skills, trait, and attitudes to succeed as an entrepreneur.
But there's a good news. While not everyone may be cut out to be a successful entrepreneur, anyone can be certainly try their hand at it. With the right mindset, support, and guidance, anyone can be develop the skills and traits they needed to embark their own entrepreneurial journey.
Alright, ma'am, thank you so much and thank you for joining us in this remarkable journey. We hope to see you again next time. Is it alright?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And there you have it, change makers, a glimpse into the essence of entrepreneurship. It's about turning dreams into reality. seizing opportunities, and making a positive impact on the world around us. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or someone who is just starting to explore the world of business, remember this. With passion, determination, and the willingness to take risks, anything is possible. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of entrepreneurship and the endless possibilities it holds for those who are brave enough to pursue their dreams. Until then, keep dreaming big and never stop chasing your passions.